Hi guys, welcome to my brand new channel. My name is Tito Belgrave and I'm a 3D character artist for the video game industry. I worked a lot on AAA titles, some indie titles, but I have well over 10 or 15 titles underneath my belt now. I've worked in the industry just as long. I stopped counting after the 10th year, but probably around the 15-year mark in the industry, and I've had that many titles to work on. I'm currently working on an unnamed title. Working on all the characters, all the main principal characters for that right now. The reason I wanted to start this new channel was a little accountability for myself for the most part, but I also wanted to show progress from being in the industry from over 10 years now, using the same proprietary tools. I use Maya as my main tool, and I use ZBrush as my main sculpting tool. And I wanted to get into a game dev project. After so many years of working on the characters, you know, I always wanted to create a game. And because this is a new channel, I wanted to actually go through the process. I know there's a lot of new artists always up and coming. There's always a lot of new artists wanting to know what the best tools are, what the best brushes are. You know, it's not about the brush or it's not about the tools. But, you know, after so long working in a particular workflow, I wanted to try something new, you know, just to keep things, not just to keep things fresh, but to explore different options that are on the market. Right now, because I use Maya, I use ZBrush, I use all the industry standard tools, Photoshop, I use all of those. But I wanted to take this channel and show the progress from using brand new software to me. I wanted to get into more of using this software and showing you my trials and tribulations, my ups and downs, of how I'm gonna transition from industry standard tools to what's not so industry standard. So I'm gonna be actually, for a project I'm gonna be working on for my youngest, it's a game dev project. I'll be using Unity to get it done. I'm not a programmer, I'm an artist. So I'll be using Bolt. Unity Bolt is a plugin for Unity that actually, visual scripting plugin that works better with my thought process. Because I'm such a visual person, visual learner, I actually wanted to use this particular software because it kind of flows with me, right? It actually does flow. There's a flow graph with it, and it makes sense to me. So I wanted to start a project and go through a whole learning curve of all new software. So I'm going to ditch Maya for this project. I'm going to get Blender. I know. I'm going to finally sit down and because I've been pushing it by for years and saying that I have Maya, why do I need Blender? But now with Blender 2.8 and all the new features and all the industry standard navigation, I think it's a good time to get into it. So I'm going to use Blender. I'm going to use Bolt with Unity. I'm thinking of also using Quixel Mixer from Substance Painter. That one is going to be actually a little tricky because Substance Painter right now is actually a really good industry standard, and it does everything that it needed to do. There's some quirks, obviously, with all software. There's some performance issues. I really shouldn't be having performance issues right now because I actually got a new kit here. I got my Mac Pro 2019 edition. It's actually really, really good. Again, a lot of new things for me and this channel. So I'm going to be working with the Huion Canvas Pro 20-inch edition. I'm actually going to show an unboxing video on that particular tablet. I think it's time that I ditch the disconnection between the Wacom tablet and the monitor. It works. Don't get me wrong, a lot of great artists have been doing it for many, many, many years, and it works, but the disconnect always gets me. And so I'm gonna set up this new Huion tablet to see the difference in actually drawing on the tablet itself. So with the new Huion, with the Blender, with Quixel Mixer, Unity, Bolt, this is going to be a learning channel. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be a learning channel. So you're going to see all the things I'm going to go through and how I kind of suck at it, to be honest. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, I don't know. So basically the schedule for this channel is I'm going to try to get stuff done every Sunday. Or every other Sunday, depending on my schedule because of all the freelance and my other business endeavors. We'll see how every Sunday goes, but I will try my best to upload something new every Sunday. So that's it for the introductory for now. The next video is going to be on the unboxing. I'll show you the unboxing of that tablet. I'll do the setup and the assembly, and then we'll start using it, start putting some videos together for that. If you want, you know what to do with all the likes, subscribes, all that kind of stuff. And if you want to keep up to date on all the new things that are happening on this channel, I'm excited about it. I want to see how it's going to turn out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Stay safe.